day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my home in Livingston, Montana. Okay, what I'm up to today is I'm testing out this microphone right here, this Rode VideoMic Me L, and L stands for lightning port. It's a little shotgun mic that plugs right into the side of my iPhone. In this case, my iPhone is an XS Max. You know, it's one of the latest iPhones out, okay? And now this whole entire recording, this whole entire video is being recorded using that microphone right there. And I've only made one other test. I just got this via FedEx today. I'm very unfamiliar with this, so what you hear is what you get. And it's also, I want to make sure that this video recording, this sound recording, that you know is completely unedited. I do very little editing on my YouTube channel, okay? But this is a Rode, like I say, VideoMic Me L, and L stands for lightning port because it plugs right in to the side of the iPhone. Now let me show you. Let me hold up this mirror here. See if you can see that little shotgun mic there. Tried a video a little while ago and it didn't work out too good, but this is brand new. I've only made one other recording. It seems to work okay, but let me shut up and get on here. What I'm trying to do for you folks is give you some sound bites. Like I say, this whole thing is going to be unedited. It's going to be just a raw 4K 30 frames a second in stereo. It should be video unedited. This is a Native American Flute right here, ladies and gentlemen, in the key of B, a high spirits flute. Okay, hopefully the microphone picked that up okay, and also in this box, you get a clip, a stabilizing clip, which I'm not going to get into that, and they give you a great big old air muffler. They call it a dead cat, a windscreen, but, you know, I'm not going to get into all that. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, hang in here with me. Don't get nervous. Don't run away. I'm going to flip my little Manfrotto tripod around, and I've got a bass guitar over here, an Epiphone Thunderbird. We're going to hit a few licks on that. And that Thunderbird is approximately 12 feet away. And by the way, my flute was about 2 feet away. So, you know, let's do this. Let me turn this around there, and you can see my white Thunderbird right there, our Thunderbird bass. Let me get this so I can, okay, let me hop over there and turn this. Now, like I say, about 12, 13 feet away, this amplifier here is turned up about 40% or so. It's not real loud. There we go, some bass. I can tell my bass is a little out of tune. I forgot to tune it. We don't care, do we? Now this is a This amplifier right here is only capable of putting out 250 watts. It's actually got a 1,000-watt head in it, but the speaker is only capable of handling 250 watts approximately. I got it turned up about 40%. So there you go with that. Okay. Let me turn all that on. Okay, let me turn this around and end this file. Of course, this whole thing is being captured inside my home here. Forgive me of that, but I got plenty of time to check it outside. And like I say, I just barely first got this by FedEx today. And by the way, today is March 11th of 2019. So this unit right here is relatively new on the market. This file that you'll be seeing and you'll be hearing is unedited. There's no editing at all. I don't do any editing. I don't do any of that, shooting scenes and putting them together with other scenes and all that. I try to make my life when it comes to YouTube just as simple as possible. I used to do editing a long time ago, but I give it up because, like I say, who am I kidding? I'm just small peanuts here on YouTube. I just have a small channel, a small following of people. I'm not trying to get famous. I'm not trying to make money. It's just a hobby for me, okay? But, yep, this is a Rode VideoMic Me L. So what you're hearing is what I'm producing raw. It's just that simple. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for listening to me, watching me. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you on down the trail.